everyone, welcome back to my channel again.
Sin parar, shake your body, shine like star.
It's been 11 now. I woke up at 10 today. Pretty late, I know, it's not a healthy thing.
Do I look like I care?
And I'm ready to shoot again because मैंने अपने आप को promise किया था कि I will be shooting and I will be posting content as much as I can. So today I'm trying to do a day in my life. I don't know मैं कितना इसको record कर पाऊँगी, but I think जितना भी मेरी life में bits and pieces में होता है, I can show you guys that I'm not working anywhere and I've left the job, but I think I'm loving this time
Lies.
I have for me. When I was doing corporate, I hardly had, time for me. So right now I am enjoying it to the full. Like जितना मैं enjoy कर सकती हूँ उतना मैं कर रही हूँ. And for all the people who don't have a job right now, please enjoy this time because again you're gonna have a job और फिर तुम्हें फिर से एक corporate labor बनना पड़ेगा, corporate मजदूर बनना पड़ेगा और जो तुम्हें अपने लिए जो एक टाइम चाहिए होता है इंसान को वो नहीं मिलेगा.
Yes.
The time that you have right now, जितना भी तुम्हारे पास है 1 month or maybe 2 months or maybe probably 3 months, I think that is the time that you enjoy it. Pursue something which you really were thinking to do from a very long time. तो वो कर सकते हो आप because I've been doing that and I think that break is really important. I was in corporate since like more than 3-4 years and then I realized that I really didn't give that much time to myself which I really needed. हम पैसा इसलिए कमाते हैं ना कि enjoy कर पाए, but वो enjoy नहीं मिलेगा तो फिर क्या फ़ायदा, right? When you are unemployed, you don't have a structure of whole day, right? And that's where you feel very demotivated. आपको लगता है कि यार मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ, यार मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ, ना तो मेरे को जॉब का कोई कॉल आ रहा है when I'm applying, ना ही मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ. So I think it's pretty obvious to feel like that because you don't have a specific goal or you don't have a स्पेसिफिक शेड्यूल टू फॉलो इन योर होल डे. जब हम ऑफिस जाते हैं तो एक स्पेसिफिक शेड्यूल होता है, तो ऐसे निकल जाता है. देन वी आर लाइक ओके द ब्रेन टेल्स अस दैट ओके वी हैड अ प्रोडक्टिव डे. व्हेन वी आर एट होम अप्लाइंग फॉर जॉब्स, एक तो पहली जॉब नहीं है, ठीक है, और ऑलरेडी इंसान इतना डिमोटिवेटेड है. एंड आई एम सेइंग इट बिकॉज I know how it feels. When I wake up, I make sure that this is the time that I will be giving to applying for jobs and this is the time which I will be pursuing what I want to do. Now I will be having lunch, this time I will be working out and this time I will be going out. That is what keep me going and that is what keep me motivating for the next day.
Okay.
Stop demotivating yourself and know that there's a best which is waiting for you and that will be happening for sure. Nobody can take that from you. जब हमारे पास वो चीज़ हमारी perfect life नहीं होती है, that we don't have a job or maybe our business is not running, and that's where the time is to believe in yourself and know that there's a best plan waiting from God. and यहाँ पे कुछ भी permanent नहीं है life में, या लाइफ चेंज होती है एंड काफ़ी चीज़ें खुद से रियलाइज़ करते हैं कि आई थिंक आई वॉज नॉट द सेम पर्सन आई वॉज 2 years back or maybe 1 year back. And that's what life is also, that even if you're not sticking to one plan and there's no stability, there will be a stability after a point and there will be a stability after having those hurdles that you have already crossed.
Yes, it's true.
That's where you will be achieving everything that you desire of. I think that's what I think all the time and मेरे लिए तो work करता है. And I think अगर आप ये चीज़ ट्राई करोगे तो आपके लिए भी काम करेगा. यू थिंक दिस चश्मा इज़ टू बिग फॉर मी बट आई रियली लाइक इट बिकॉज वैसे तो मैं बहुत छोटी लगती हूँ शक्ल से, कि जब भी मैं अपनी एज के बारे में बात करती हूँ दे लाइक यू सीम्स टू बी लाइक 22 और 21 और मे बी 20, बट आई थिंक इसके साथ तो मैं 22 की नहीं लग रही हूँ. आई एम लुकिंग लाइक माई एज.
Hey, nobody cares.
Now I will be applying for jobs for like 1 or 2 hours because I make it a point that मैं पूरा दिन में अगर job apply कर रही हूँ तो मैं पूरा दिन ना करती रहूँ. It depends on if the vacancy came out of nowhere on the LinkedIn कोई भी time पे. And what happens is because it's Monday and I have been in this profession, I am an HR by profession, so I know how it works. अब Monday को एक fresh start होता है तो जो भी recruiters आते हैं और आपकी प्रोफाइल शॉर्ट लिस्ट करके आपको कॉल करते हैं. इट्स लाइक अ फ्रेश लिस्ट, राइट? व्हेन यू अप्लाई एंड यू आर रीसेंट अप्लायर, तो काफ़ी चांसेस होते हैं आपको एक कॉल आने के. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डू, दैट व्हेन आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग ऑन मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे, आई मेक श्योर कि मैं हर 2 घंटे में अप्लाई करती रहूँ. एंड या, सो आई विल बी सर्चिंग फॉर जॉब नाउ. कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर बनना इतना भी बुरा नहीं है शायद. I will be showing my whole day and taking you guys with my pretty little simple day. This is my outfit. I got it from, I think, Myntra, and it is very comfy. I love my skin right now and it's so good. I mean, it's glowing like anything and there's no makeup that I've done. I just did my skincare and I love how my skin is acting really good. So let's get into the video and let's get you started. I have applied for like 30 to 40 jobs and I'm telling you it's pretty exhausting. So but ठीक है, अभी जॉब भी बहुत कम है मार्केट में and I think I will be applying for more, थोड़े और टाइम के लिए, and then I will be doing my lunch. And with that, I have a plan to watch a movie with my friend Aj. So अभी के लिए I will be applying job again. I've been like applying for jobs since now 1 hour maybe, and it's just like एक तो jobs इतनी कम है मार्केट में. It's pretty exhausting कि एक तो आप 1-2 घंटे पूरा निकाल के बैठो और जॉब ही नहीं है. The job market is pretty fucked up. And I'm done. We have to be keep going. In fact, मेरे को सुबह से मैंने काफ़ी कंपनीज में अप्लाई किया था and I got 4-5 mails where I was rejected that unfortunately we cannot move with your application. And I know उसको पढ़ने के बाद ना you just feel so demotivated. आपको लगता है कि shit, मतलब यहाँ पे भी नहीं हुआ. But ठीक है guys, just don't lose the hope and there is something better there and you will be getting it.
Don't stop, don't give up. Keep trying, keep trying.
अभी काफ़ी जॉब अप्लाई कर लिया है. It's done from my side and थोड़ा बहुत demotivation होता भी है तो let it sink. Rejection is a part of life and rejection is a redirection, so always know that. Hi everyone, I'm back home and if I talk about the movie बहुत ही अच्छी थी. मतलब I got emotional also.
Yikes.
It was a great movie. I don't know why I took so long to watch that movie, but it was great. Then I had some food and उसके बाद मैं घर आ गई. 2-3 टॉप ट्राई करे H&M पे, which I thought before trying it कि बहुत अच्छे होंगे, but when I tried them I didn't like them. मतलब अच्छे ही नहीं लग रहे थे मुझ पे, I don't know. Then उसके बाद मैंने एक रेड ड्रेस ट्राई करी थी which I really loved it, but क्योंकि मेरा एक छोटा सा टम्मी निकला हुआ है तो
That got a little cold.
That guy in a little coat.
Don't.
I ended up not buying it again. So basically मैं कुछ भी नहीं लाई हूँ वहाँ से. I hope you guys liked my mini vlog, and I know it was very simple, short, but I'm just trying कि मैं consistent रहूँ, और I'm just trying that people are really liking.
Yeah.
I just want to say you guys that no matter what is going on in my life, or no matter what is going in your life, do not ever forget to smile, and do not ever forget to make yourself feel special, because it's not easy to say कि कोई नहीं, जॉब नहीं है तो मज़े कर लो, but the little pieces of life, the little things in our life, we should enjoy it and we should cherish it. And better to not be sitting at home and doing nothing is better than enjoying your life. और अच्छा लगेगा तुम्हें, बस अपने आप को अच्छा ट्रीट करोगे तो बहुत 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 अच्छा लगेगा. And I will make sure that I will be posting content more often. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to share with your friends and keep watching me.